11-5.
Another enforced error from Allison, and it is so tempting to go for that shot quickly on here because it is such a dead court. Just going a little bit too fine.
David leads 1 game to love. Down.
Oh, and a nice cross-court drop shot there. Allison not able to get that one out the nick. And there we have it, Nicole's first match ball. Oh, and a nice shot there by Allison. Possibly a bit of a consolation shot there. Nothing really to lose at this stage, exactly. Oh, dear me.
What a super shot there. What can you do with a shot like that, Vanessa? I mean, absolutely storming performance there from Nicole David.
David wins 3 games to love, 11-5, 11-4, 11-5.
So there we have it. Nicole David, the world #1 from Malaysia, wins that match 11-5, 11-4, 11-5 in just 27 minutes. Laura having to fight to stay in this rally again. And a nice backhand shot.
No let. Video review, please, on the no-let decision, Massaro. No-let.
So, again, Laura going for a video review, but on this occasion it wasn't to be overturned, and Raneem El Wailili takes the first game here in the second semi-final.
So she's got that lovely 3-point cushion now. Hopefully she'll be able to close out this game and we'll have a match on our hands.
Ooh, bottom of the tin there.
Crucial error there from Raneem, giving Laura.
Oh, actually just caught the top of the tin there. I actually thought it hit the bottom of the tin, but it actually bounced up.
Yeah, possibly not on that shot, just went in a little bit too early.
Down.
And that's it.
11-6, going to Massaro.
So, Laura Massaro brings herself back into this match. Winning shot there from Laura Massaro to take that third game.
Massaro leads 2 games to 1.
Can she close it first time?
Down.
And there's the bottom of the tin, hit by Raneem El Wailili, and that gives Laura Massaro victory in this semi-final and puts her into the Allam British Open Final 2013. What a super performance. So there we have it, the second semi-final, won by English girl Laura Massaro, 11-8, 11-6, 11-8, 11-9, 3-1 in 47 minutes. What a fantastic result.